Cultivate the seed of greatness within you. When you wake up each day, know that you have within you the power to shape your destiny. The thoughts you think, the actions you take, and the habits you form are the building blocks of your future. Remember that success is not a matter of luck or circumstance, but a result of deliberate intention and persistent effort. Embrace the power of your thoughts. Your mind is a garden, and you are the gardener. Plant seeds of positivity, determination, and resilience. Weed out doubt, fear, and negativity. Nurture your mind with knowledge, wisdom, and inspiration. Feed it with a vision of the person you want to become and the life you want to live. Take inspired action. Dreams without action remain mere fantasies. Have the courage to take that first step, even if it feels uncomfortable or uncertain. Trust in your abilities and believe in your potential. Every small step forward brings you closer to your goals. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. Understand that setbacks and obstacles are part of the journey. Learn from them, adapt, and keep moving forward. Remember that failure is not a reflection of your worth but an opportunity for growth and learning. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Seek out mentors, coaches, and positive influences who believe in your dreams and support your growth. Collaborate with others who share your vision and inspire you to reach new heights. As Earl Nightingale said, learn to enjoy every minute of your life. Be happy now. Don't wait for something outside of yourself to make you happy in the future. Think how really precious is the time you have to spend, whether it's at work or with your family. Every minute should be enjoyed and savored.